Of the day. Got a little welding to do on this. Piece is coming off, so I'm just gonna plate everything. It's already been welded a couple times, so plate it up and get it going. I can see why it doesn't have anything welding on this side, so it's just going back and forth, back and forth. So we're gonna have to fill that in, weld that in there. I got this piece. We'll just weld all the way down there, and then gusset that. Probably cut this gusset down, but gusset that. But the majority of the issue is the side to side. What are we thinking here? Up and in. So I can weld there, and then the back side. I think that's the best way. So we'll just cut. Just cut right there. It's also going like this, because there's nothing holding right here. So I'm gonna fix that. And
when this one first started to go, the fucking tire was on there every time we hit a fucking
and you're like, oh shit, please don't break. It's all that side load. Fix it. These things they're built so fast, so cheaply, but fuck, they get it done. All you gotta do is weld it a couple times. And all my pieces cut out. Cut off the tip of this. See how much I need to cut off. Maybe I should make just 2 of these. And weld it like that. I think I do that. I should make 2 gussets like this. That way I don't have to cut anything and I can weld the whole thing out. Is this the material that I used? Looks like it. Oh baby. Make another gusset in the midnight hour. Second gusset is cut. Freaking beauty. Sand all that down. Sand that down. Clean it up. Sand that cracked all the way down that. So I'll just put a piece here. Tie it into the gusset so it's strong. Cool. Alright, I got all my pieces roughed up. Going to mark it and then make sure I can grind everywhere I need to grind. That down. That's the short one, the long one. Good, roughly where we need to be. Good, that matches the curve. Well, that. Grind that. That. Got it. Good. Grind here. That's done. We'll just bring this over here. Mark that. Mark that. I gotta get this gusset so it's on the same plane, and I can weld all that out. Dope. Start grinding it. I got everything marked out. Just gonna sand it down. And I think I just sand all that down. 2-inch right there. Need a piece of 2x2 right there. Slot it between that. Cool. Go cut a piece. This might be the perfect size. A piece this size. I got everything prepped. Got all my pieces prepped. I'm gonna sand down the sharp edges on this. But I gouged out this crack, so I'm gonna fill that in, sand it down, and then put the plate over the top of it. And then a plate under this all the way down, so this doesn't rock back and forth like it has been. And I made a plate for the top piece. So overall nice and strong. Man, the stuff's so thin. All right, crack welded out. Put it on right there. Eyeball it so it's even. 1/4 inch and 3/16. Well tacked up. Get everything welded out. Paint it. He's way stronger. Should not have this issue at all later. Good, good, and good. Sweet. He needs me to weld something on the back here. He just wanted me to weld that chain back. Okay, so I'll weld that chain and weld it. Cool. I'm gonna clean up all my stuff. This job's done. Back is welded for him, and spare tire mount is welded. Not going anywhere. Cool. This job's done. I'm on to the next.